Yes, children are still being recruited and sometimes even abducted from the streets in South Sudan to serve in military operations. Here's an overview of the situation. Current state of recruitment to 0-3 to 0-5. Persisting problem. The United Nations reported ongoing incidents of child recruitment during 2023 out of 221 verified grave violations against children. 150 to involved recruitment and use of children, including abduction or manipulation from civilian and community settings. SSPDF Blacklisted. The South Sudan People's Defense Forces SSPDF, the National Army, remains on the UN blacklist for child recruitment violations, indicating that children under 18 are still being enlisted. Why street children are targeted? Poverty and vulnerability. Many street children are lured by promises of food, money, or basic necessities. Human Rights Watch noted that children aged 11 to 14 were attracted by 600 SSP South Sudanese pounds a month, sustainable food, or shelter. Support roles. Even if not carrying weapons, children are commonly used in support roles: messengers, cooks, porters, or lookouts placed in harm's way without firearms. Government and international response. Repeated commitments. South Sudan's government and SSPDF have made multiple public pledges during events like Red Hand Day February 12, 2025 and before to end child recruitment, and they've signed action plans with the UN. Shifting trends. The UN reported a decline in total grave violations from 466 in 2020 to 236 in 2023, yet recruitment incidents specifically have risen. Reintegration efforts. UNICEF and UNMISS continue to register, release, and reintegrate child soldiers, although coverage is inconsistent and reintegration remains a challenge.
Rồi jamo cha la dem no right metoga no kuma South Sudan chaga de tiane chaga nang de ke cher ke video biane nan tama e video minyo da no chaga de tiane chaga nang de ke chaga ko chaga nang la dini kwa chaga nyor kwa kel gar ke biane ke ne de la ka moy ka bien de ne ka moy ka gamet na mo diane cheto ka kuma South Sudan tama cher ke video gu ye namo ambula ran tok che rain melat ke ne bang mi sera tok che gar tiane nang kan ga de kap kan ga wi charan tama ko be kan de ne na mo me la ro dan tama betroi to dan na goro da te liang mo ga ka bia ngai ten tama cha ga gon a ku mo ne te lag bit ke pi ko cha ga de kan de ja ga de ne rei wit na mo tama la ro da go ne da ga ya wi a den video na mo na kwa ta kal ga ne Ijera ma ka ro mat ka jan bona ma goro bro di show mat ko bona ma ko bi channel ma bi subscribe ko la ri dia la ngune ka bi ka je ka gwadien ti la ra ta long ta ma